Evdə qal, əllərini yu, üzünə toxunma. Salam, mənim adım Sevdadır. My name is Sevda, and today we're learning the imperative form of verbs. Fiilin əmr şəkli. So an imperative form is pretty much a command or a request when you're telling someone, go to bed, be quiet, don't speak. So first of all, I'm going to teach you the grammar part, so how to actually make your imperative form. But then I'm also going to give you some useful and common phrases used with the imperative form. Maybe you can see some signs in the city, or you hear people saying those phrases a lot. So tune in. It is pretty easy to make an imperative in Azerbaijani language. And the thing number one you need to know is a verb stem. So a verb stem is the verb without its mag or mak part. So if your verb is to sleep, yatmak, you only need yat part. So take away mag. And if your verb is içmek, to drink, then take away the mak part and all you need is each. One more thing that you need to know is that when you speak in Azerbaijani language to someone, it's going to be either informal or formal. So let's start with informal imperative form. This is super easy. All you need is your verb stem, and that's all. Take your verb, take away the mag or mak part, and here you go. So if you want to tell someone sleep, you're going to say yat. Your verb is yatmak. Take away mag part, yat. If you want to tell someone drink water, içmek is to drink, so take away the mak part and you have each. So su iç, su iç, drink water. Another example, okumak, to read, okumak. So again, take away the mag part and you're left with oku. Oku, read. Kitap oku, kitap oku, read a book. Gelmek, gelmek, to come, take away the mak part and you have gel, gel, come. Bura gel, come here. And remember, in Azerbaijani language, the verb is at the end. So put whatever you need in front of it and then put your imperative. Bura gel, su iç, kitap oku. Here's another good example. A lot of times you will hear people say bura bax, and that's kind of like look or listen, kind of to draw someone's attention. Okay, now let's talk about the formal way. So if you want to talk to someone politely, someone who's older than you, or someone who's your boss, or you don't know them very well, then when you ask someone, when you make a request, you want to say it in a polite form. And for the polite form or for the formal form, you need to take your verb stem and add un for, which means that you're gonna have, your ending is gonna be either un, in, un, or un. And also if your verb stem ends with a vowel, you need to add ye. And if at this moment you're confused, why is it un, in, un, or un, and why do I need to add ye sometimes? Watch my video about the vowel harmony. Okay, so one more time. You take your verb stem and you add un, in, un, or un, depending on the vowel in your verb stem. So yatmak, to sleep, yat, yatın, yatın, sleep or go to bed. İçmek, iç, için, için, su için, su için, drink some water. Okumak, oku, okuyun, okuyun, kitap okuyun, kitap okuyun, read a book. Gelmek, gel, gelin, bura gelin, bura gelin, come here. Zəhmət olmasa bura gəlin, zəhmət olmasa bura gəlin. Yazmak, yaz, yazın, yazın, write. Məktub yazın, zəhmət olmasa məktub yazın. Zəhmət olmasa mənə məktub yazın. Please write a letter to me. Zəhmət olmasa mənə məktub yazın. Before we go to the negative form, I will give you some very useful and common phrases that you can use with the imperative. So you can say sakin ol, be quiet, sakin ol, sakin olun in a formal way. Mene zeng et, mene zeng et, mene zeng edin, mene zeng edin. Notice that over here somehow T turns into D, so et, edin, mene zeng edin. It's also a very useful when you go to the store. You can say, mene bir kilo et çekin, mene bir kilo et çekin. Çekmek is to weigh, so please weigh 1 kilo of meat for me. Mene bir kilo et çekin. Mene 2 kilo alma verin. Mene 2 kilo alma verin. Can I have 2 kilos? 2 kilos of apples. Mene 2 kilo alma verin. And then the famous evde kal, stay at home, evde kal. Ellerini yu ya da ellerinizi yuyun. Informal. Ellerini yu, ellerinizi yuyun. Sakitliğe riayet edin. Sakitliğe riayet edin. You might see that in public transportation. Keep silence. Be kind of quiet in the public transportation. Özüne yaxşı bax. Özüne yaxşı bax. Kind of like take care, or in a formal way, özünüze yaxşı baxın. Özünüze yaxşı baxın. Keçitten istifade edin. Keçitten istifade edin. Okay, let's go to the negative form. So for the informal, you take your verb stem and you add the ending ma or ma. So if your verb is yat, it's going to be yatma. Don't sleep. Yatma. İç, içme. İçme. Coffee içme. Don't drink coffee. Coffee içme. Oku, okuma. Okuma. Bu kitabı okuma. Bu kitabı okuma. Don't read this book. Gel, gelme. Gelme. Bura gelme. Bura gelme. Don't come here. And for the formal or polite way of speaking, you're gonna take your verb stem and you're gonna add mayın, mayin. Yatmayın, yatmayın. And then when you say it, kind of sounds like yatmayın. Kofe içmeyin, kofe içmeyin. Kofe içmeyin. But then when you say it fast, it sounds like kofe içmeyin. Kofe içmeyin. Gel, gelmeyin, gelmeyin. Bura gelmeyin, bura gelmeyin. Don't come here. Okay, and here are some useful phrases that you might see on the signs or hear a lot. Sigaret çekmeyin, sigaret çekmeyin. Don't smoke or no smoking. Derse gecikmeyin, derse gecikmeyin. Don't be late for classes. Kapıya sökenmeyin, kapıya sökenmeyin. Don't lean on the door. Üzünüze dokunmayın, üzünüze dokunmayın. Don't touch your face. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Please comment, share my videos, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Sağ olun, görüşürüz.